It's an independently trained RPN. It's just the same as the mask Garson. We didn't joint train the RPN with this kind of stance.
But you
because
use a multi-level for the RPN?
For our RPN, it's exactly the same as FPN. The RPN from the FPN.
FPN. So you use level 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Just the same as the paper FPN.
I want to
we didn't modify that.
I want a unified architecture.
But actually, when training this network, we are using. I implemented this work based on Cafe, so it's not very memory efficient. So it's very.
So I'm currently stuck at this. I got 72% with ResNet 50 on my dataset, and ResNet 50 has 78 with true. So I stop at stride 8 and get 78% MAP. So I don't downsample to stride 16. I just use true for the last level. And in the second stage, I'm using the whole C5 structure. So the backbone is split. I have up to C4 in the first stage, and C5 is second stage. And with this architecture, ResNet 50, I have 78. With the path aggregation network, up until C5, so I'm doing the same stuff here.
You mean this part?
Yeah, and pulling and
from
reading
all
RPN.
regions?
I'm reading from here, I think. Stride 8, where is stride 8? Here is stride 8, I think. I read RPN from there. So
you mean
only this level is used.
You try to fuse the RPN with this backbone, right?
Yeah.
I think that you can try that thing based on the detectron, the coded detectron.
How do they do that? They share the same weight and apply different?
In detectron, actually, this is shared by RPN and FPN. This is the feature extractor, and then there will be the RPN head here.
They have the same weights for the RPN
applied
at different levels?
It's shared. It's shared.
And it builds a pyramid? No, not build them.
Actually, they're different. There's one head on each level, but the weights are shared. So actually, there will be 4 heads, 4 RPN heads.
With the same size, like I think they produce.
Because RPN is fully convolutional, so.
No, it decreases in size. It's also a pyramid.
It's also a pyramid.
It's also a pyramid, okay. And we need to take into account the stride for the anchors. Okay. This is the hardest part to implement for me.
But actually you can try the detectron code.
Yeah, I'm using TensorFlow. We have OD API.
Okay, I see. Actually I'm re-implementing this work on PyTorch. Because originally it was implemented in the system. I cannot release that code directly, so I have to re-implement by myself to release the code.
This is global pooling there, or it's like similar to for the mask head?
You mean this one?
Yeah, it's like FC.
Okay, actually it's the details are here. So originally this part, this is the FCN used by mask Garson, right?
Yeah, it's similar.
Okay.
For convolutions.
And for we add another branch to capture different properties. So because actually fully connected layers will connect each element to interior feature map. So we think that the fully connected layers can capture more global view of the entire proposal. So we use a fully connected layer here, and then we reshape the feature vector to the spatial map, and then we add them together.
How do you reshape it then?
It's just the simple reshape. So so maybe this element goes to here, this one goes to here.
But do you have enough information for 7 by 7 the mask?
The mask is 28 times 28, same as the mask Garson.
Okay, I remember.
Okay, so as a result, the channel number is 28 times 28.
Okay.
So we just reshape it to this spatial map.
So you didn't try an end-to-end training with RPN?
I didn't try because with the cafe it's very, very hard to do that kind of stuff. And also we were preparing for the competition, and we found that with the RPN incorporated, it will slow down, and we cannot use large backbone.
So we
didn't use it.
Maskar CNN with FPN, RPN.
Sorry?
Maskar CNN with feature pyramids for as an RPN. Using that. Okay. For detect.
Detectron used this kind of joint training. But actually, in their paper, they also train the RPA independently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we follow them to make the apple-to-apple comparison.
Independently? You just train
At first, we
object?
train one RPN. We train RPN without those kind of stuff. Only RPN.
I just train object, not object.
Yeah, object, not object.
Okay.
Yeah. Same as the paper.